So this is the Panasonic AX at CeBIT 2013 for Ultrabook News. I'm Chippy. This is an extremely high-end convertible Ultrabook. First thing you might notice though is that the screen is on. Where's the battery? It's got a really interesting design here. There's a built-in battery of about 17 watt hours, which means you can take out the original battery and plot and slot in a charged battery like that, which is another 30 watt hours. So you're getting 47 watt hours total battery, but that swap out capability, especially if there's an external charging dock for that battery, makes it really interesting. Also interesting on this one is that it's extremely lightweight. So where the Yoga 13 was about 1.5 kilos, this is 1.1 kilos. So it actually makes the tablet part of it much more usable. So you fold that back on there. I'll try and do that on screen with one hand there, and you get a 1.1 kilo tablet, which is way more useful than the 1.5 and the Yoga 13. You've got that strange feeling at the back with the keyboard, of course, but that locks out, so there's no real problem there. Looking at the ports then, full HDMI, this is upside down, Kensington lock, couple of USB 3 ports, and this is a smart card slot here. And then over to the other side, full Ethernet, I suspect that's gigabit Ethernet, VGA, full SD card slots, separate mic and headphone ports, and a wireless on-off switch. Across the front you've got the obligatory power button, rotate, lock and volume up and down, which are needed for when you use it in tablet mode. Let's just flip up to that keyboard though. 11.6 inch design here means the keyboard is a little bit cramped, and so only a real long-term test on that keyboard will tell if it's good. It doesn't feel that fantastic on first testing, but this is something that needs to be tested out. It's full touchpad there with separate mouse buttons and hold button, which turns off the whole keyboard and mouse input section there. So it's a matte screen there. This one's running a Core i5 4 gig, but it goes up to Core i7 with 8 gigs, 256 SSD if you want it. Pricing for this though is pretty interesting. This is obviously part of the Toughbook range. Pricing starts at $1,800. We've seen one online retailer have it at, and goes all the way up to quite incredible $3,800 for a fully spec'd device. But remember, this is a Panasonic Toughbook, so people that have used Toughbooks in the past will know the sort of level of quality that's in this device. So yeah, for people that are in the field and want the ultimate in terms of sort of ruggedness and total portability and that hot swap battery, touchscreen, this really is quite something. Let me just check on the screen resolution for you. It's a matte screen, matte capacitive touch, which you don't find too often, but let me just get the resolution. I think it's going to be 1366 by 768, and it is 1366 by 768. So there it is, Panasonic Toughbook AX, the flip and twist style Ultrabook in 11.6 format, 1.1 kilos, and a very expensive price. My name's Chippy, CeBIT 2013. Thanks for watching.